So we'll start by tuning the NDB, which is on a frequency of 209, and we'll put that into the ADF box over on the right hand side over here. Once that's done, we need to identify the NDB by pushing the ADF button on the audio panel over here and comparing the Morse code that we hear to the Morse code shown on the approach plate, and it should spell out HOE. So that seems to be identifying correctly, and the ADF needle appears to be pointing in a sensible direction, as I would expect it to, so I'd say this is good to use. The next thing to tune is this Waycross VOR, which is on a frequency of 110.2 with an identifier of AYS. So that's identifying correctly as well. Now the reason that we're tuning in this VOR is because setting up this 229 radial from that VOR will allow us to identify this intersection called muzzler. Now the reason that we want to identify this intersection is because it will allow us to actually fly to a lower minimum because we can identify our distance from the airport.